Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing very fine and taking good care of yourselves. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids by the Cap. In today's class, I will tell you how to make letter O in capital and small cursive. Okay? In the last class, I've told you about letter N. And after N, what comes? It comes letter O. So let's start our today's class. Okay, so take out your pencils everyone and you will all trace this small cursive O with me. Okay, start from here, up and same manner come down, go up and make a loop and go out. Okay, this small O and this capital cursive O. You will make a turn from here, go up and make a loop, go out. Okay, like this you will make capital cursive O. And you know, O as in owl. Owl is a bird which can see at night. Okay, so you will paste a picture of a owl here. Okay, let's make these dotted O's like this. Very good. Now we will make without dotted lines. Very nice. Now this is capital cursive O. Let's make these. Very good. Now without dotted lines. This is very easy, right? Make a zero and this is make a loop. Good. Now O as in ostrich, O as in onion, and O as in orange. You know, orange color is also orange. Okay. Now next is our activity. I can do tick the correct word. Now we have to tick the correct word. Okay. It's a picture of a orange. Picture of an orange. So it is orange or carrot. Which one should I tick? Orange or carrot? Obviously it's orange. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? Oven or onion? It's onion. Put a tick mark on onion. Is owl or bowl? Owl or bowl? It's an owl. It's an owl. Okay. Owl is a bird. Next is, it's a box or an ox. Obviously, it's not a box. It's an ox. It's octagon. It's octopus. Obviously, it's an octopus. And you know, octopus has 8 legs. Okay, octopus has 8 legs. Yes. Okay, class, that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed my class and you have learned how to make small and capital cursive O. So keep practicing it. I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning. Take care.